Dear students, how are you? Here Kamaldeep Kaur in front of you to discuss the topic types of topology and operating system.
Network topology. Network topology is the art of connecting different computers in a network. In this, the nodes or computer of a network are linked together. It means the way the computers and other devices are connected with each other. It is the arrangement with which computer system or network devices are connected. Topology refers to the physical or logical layout of the network. It is the way how the data is transformed between these nodes. The different types of network topology are bus, ring, tree, star, mesh, hybrid. First of all, bus topology. Bus topology is a topology in which all the nodes are connected to a central cable called bus, and it is a single continuous cable. The coaxial backbone cabling is there and terminator at the end of the cable. The advantages of bus topology is it is quite easy to set up and it requires very less cable length. In it, all the computers are connected to a main cable. But if the main cable fails, the entire network will fail. And it offers very less flexibility for change. Next, ring topology. Ring topology, the nodes are connected in a closed loop so that each device is connected to two others, one on either side. In this, the movement of data or data transfer is circular. In this topology, computers are connected to each other with the last one connected to first one. All the messages travel through a ring in the same direction, either clockwise or anti-clockwise. Star topology, all the computers are connected to the main server. If the main server fails, the entire network fails. Every workstation is indirectly connected to every other through the hub. It has a common connection point and computers are connected to that point for communication. The hub is central node and all other nodes are connected to it. Mesh topology. Mesh topology is a type of networking where all nodes cooperate to distribute data amongst each other. In mesh topology, messages sent on a network can take any path from the source to the destination because every computer in this kind of topology is connected with each other. Fast data transfer rate, but overall cost in this topology is very high. It is a point-to-point connection to other nodes or devices. It is expensive as lot of cabling is required. Protocol. Protocol is a set of rules that determine how the data transmitted over the network. For example, if A wants to send some message to B and if it is properly go into route, then it is assigned with the proper way by B. But if it is not went in a sequence way, then B got the corrupted message. The different types of protocols are Internet Protocol, Transmission Control Protocol, HTTP, Hypertext Transfer Protocol. Internet Protocol is the protocol by which data is sent from one computer to another on the Internet. When we send or receive data, the message gets divided in the form of packets. Hypertext Protocol, it is a set of rules for transferring files on the World Wide Web. It is an application protocol that runs on top of the TCP and IP protocols. Next is wireless communication. Wireless means that there is no physical path for the signals to move. It is one of the biggest contributions to humankind, which involves sending and receiving the information over a distance without using wires or cables. Bluetooth. Bluetooth is a wireless technology that connects and transmits voice and data to mobile phones, computers and other devices without cable. Wi-Fi, it uses radio waves to provide wireless high-speed internet and network connections. It can use over the air or radio waves. Next is operating system. Operating system is the lifeline of the computer, which act as interface between application software, system software and hardware. The hardware of a computer is controlled and coordinated by the operating system. All the application softwares need to go through the operating system to use any of the hardware devices. Different functions of operating system: process management, memory management, file management, security, job management, controlling input and output devices, managing the uses of main power. Single user operating system. Single user operating system is that operating system which supports only one user at a time. Multiple user operating system is that operating system with the support more than one user, that is, more than one user can access the computer at the same time. Next is type of user interface. There are two types of user interface. Character user interface. This type of operating system requires the user to interact with the system by typing the commands. Graphical user interface. It is also known as GUI, in which user can use a mouse to interact with the system by just clicking.
Okay dear students, having any queries, you can WhatsApp me on my number. Thank you and have a nice day.